Y'all, my bonnet is so fucking crooked. Like, the fuck? Good morning, y'all. Well, welcome to Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. I woke up this morning and I had an order for a couple of bonnets, so I'm just gonna fill that order, and I just wanted to show you guys how I fill my orders when it comes to like bonnets or whatever it is. So during the Vlogmas, if I receive orders, I'll probably like vlog it if I don't forget. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do fill my orders when it comes to actually packaging it and all that stuff. So yeah, oh, my camera died. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I package my order and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys probably hear the baby. She's literally like on the floor by the camera. I look real rough. Look at my freaking forehead. Okay, I keep popping this bump right here on my forehead, but that ain't the girl. I got one earring in. That was a good sleep last night. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I package my order. So let's go. I have these little stickers here. Y'all probably can't see, but I have these little stickers here. It just have different things on it. It just say, one say, thank you for supporting my small business. Thank you for your purchase. Thank you for supporting my business. Handmade with love. Thank you for your order. You've got great taste, and thank you. I believe that's all it has. So I just have these little stickers here that I do put on the inside of my box. And then I put these ones on the outside. Just say, please handle with care. And then I have one of my cards here that just say thank you for your order. And then just some information on the back about what my brand offers. Hello. I think it's the light, but it just has on the back of like some pictures of some things that my brand offers. Huh? Hey babe. Yeah, my bonnet is crooked. And then I have just a little business card here with just my email, Instagram, and website on there. And that's also on this other card also at the bottom. It just has like the Instagram, website, and my email. And then I have here, I have these little thank you cards here that I've also put in my orders. And I put those in my orders with an envelope, and the envelope is gray. Absolutely love it. So I do put two, like it's pretty much, y'all see the baby hand, y'all excuse her because she's just always in my business, period. So I have the packaging slip here, and I have my shipping label here. Don't want to show y'all the address, but the shipping label is here. And last thing that I put in here is just a scrunchie It's just these little scrunchies here. I just take one and I usually just put it inside of the package. So let's get the packing. I'm gonna try to angle the camera a certain way so y'all can actually see me packaging the stuff. JUNO. So what was that?
It's a toothbrush. So
no, that's a brush. So let's get packing. Yeah, I look so rough. Don't worry. Don't come. Don't eat that. What are you doing, sis? What are you doing? Do it like this. All right. So it's one. This is a large bonnet right here. A medium one right here. Another medium. And another medium here. So the person ordered 3 mediums and 1 large. So what I usually do is I lay the bonnets flat like this. Do that. So I do them all like that. 2, 3, and 4. So after I fold those, I do have this paper here that I use. So what I do is I open up my tissue paper. So for this order, I'm going to use 2 pieces of this tissue paper. So I take it, right, like that, and then I do another fold. Do another fold. So it'll be like that way, JUNO. So I do it like that.